MP, MLA, CM. Yes.
Yes, he have money, but he have knowledge. He had not educated person, but he have knowledge. Then by knowledge we can build my career. Every many coachings and many Bimari Pathshalas in every village. And then you said you have knowledge. Then you can't earn money. How?
How?
How? Yes. I have knowledge, then I can I can build my career and I earn more money
Sir,
by knowledge.
Sir, you take money, but without money cannot take education. Firstly, you have no money. How to take knowledge? How to take knowledge?
And knowledge is not knowledge. By knowledge we can go anywhere then and learn any things and any.
Where I learn? Where I learn? Where I learn?
This coaching is free for poor children. Okay, then I am poor. Then
I give on
I learn. In this coaching I learn English speaking. Then I go to anywhere any states, any cities, and
Everywhere
I
coaching is
take
not
I
free,
take
sir.
job.
Sir, yes, is coaching free? I understand, but every city, everywhere, coaching is not free.
You-
This coaching is for. Is coaching, yes, sir. You
No,
talk about only is
in this time when you use social media.
Yes.
Or yes.
Yes.
Then you know that every many coachings and many Bimari Pathshalas in every village, and then they free for poor children.
in my
Okay.
sir, in my area, no opened the Bhimai Pathshala. Opened? Anyone opened?
No, you don't know.
No, sir.
I think I don't able to take name of this any village and any Bhimai Pathshala,
Yes, sir.
but I know and every peoples know and you know, but
Sir.
you tell a lie because this is debate. Okay,
Nowadays, where the open the Bhimai Pathshala in any one village opened. This coaching is village coaching classes. You talk about this.
I before I said
Yes, sir.
that I don't talk the name of any village.
Sir,
Okay.
You talk about
Because but I have many village name
Sir.
that have they start the Bhimai Pathshalas and a NGO.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. You talk about the Bhimai Pathshala who started classes 1 to 12. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
I have you need more much education like
Yes, listen.
PhD, MSc. Where do go?
When any person is educated with 1 to 12th.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then every government policies that give scholarship.
Scholar.
You are.
Yes, scholarship is the reason. Money.
But this is
Because-
government policy.
Sir,
Sometimes you
Money.
said that government policies are bad.
Yes.
Why you agree this government policies is good?
Sir, it is not about government policy. It is a matter of money. Money have a money. Sir, government give money, then student study.
Yes, that
Money because money. If I
then
talk about
study this knowledge.
then firstly, government give a scholarship. Then,
Firstly, we have able to this earn to this scholarship. Okay.
then I have no money to how to.
You said that you have more money than you open business.
Yes, sir.
You have no knowledge, then you don't think that you don't think that where money is spent. Okay.
Sir, if I don't talk about broker, if I don't about scam, I talk about open as market.
Yes, you talk about big market, but you have money.
Yes,
You
sir.
have no knowledge, then you don't think that how can I start the business.
No,
Okay.
sir. I have.
You only spend your money
Sir,
in bad ways. Okay.
yes, sir. I can be MP, MLA, CM. Yes.
Yes, he have money, but he have knowledge. He had not educated person, but he have knowledge. Then he become a MP or he become a CM or PM. Okay.
If I talk about Prime Minister, Which degree?
He degree not matter in
What is matter here? What is matter?
degree not matter in knowledge or money, but he had knowledge. He had no educated person, but he had knowledge. Then he had become a PM. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Without knowledge.
If I talk about our PM minister, he have a no knowledge, but how and which type education? Which type education he had? He have a no English. He have a no French. He have a no any language.
Yes.
How to knowledge? What is knowledge? It is knowledge.
Knowledge is not any person have knowledge. Then he become anything and anywhere.
Sir, I do on work in shop. Sir, I don't study. Okay, so how to collect the knowledge? How to?
You have no knowledge. You have no knowledge about shop about a big market. Then you cannot start the business. Okay.
Yes.
Sir, our prime minister went to every country in every month, but he have no other language. So how to understand the language?
He knows very well language. How can you say that?
He don't.
He speak English, Hindi, French. Okay. He had knowledge. He have knowledge.
He have a machine. He have a machine and to translate.
Oh, I think he have machine.
Yes.
Yeah, but I don't know that which type of machine the PM have. Okay.
Yes, translation machine. You don't know translation machine.
No. I don't know translation machine.
Sir, our you know.
Listen, you don't ask me question. I ask you question. Okay.
Yes.
You said you have more money than you survive anywhere.
Yes, sir.
You have more money and you have no knowledge, then you can't survive anywhere because you.
It is not possible. I
It
have
is-
money.
it is possible.
I have money. I went to anywhere, any country.
You go anywhere, any country, but you don't talk any peoples.
Yes.
Okay, you have no knowledge.
I have money.
You have no,
I have money.
and
Listen, sir.
anywhere you go, then you do and bad work. Okay,
No,
because
sir.
you have no knowledge. You have no knowledge. Okay.
I have a money. I purchase the. I take the assistant. Okay.
Yes.
Every country. In translator.
You not purchase.
You have
I have money.
Without-
I will give all person job.
without knowledge, in your mind, come to purchase the assistant. Okay.
Why? I have money. I give you money, and you will stand with me.
No, I can't stand with you. Okay.
I will give money.
No, I don't want to money. I want to only knowledge because knowledge, by knowledge we can build my career. Okay.
We have a no. You have a no money. So how to collect the knowledge? How to give the listen.
By
Firstly, I
knowledge.
complete my sentence after you speak.
Yes,
sir.
yes.
You went to a bigger institute and firstly you submit your fees. Then he teach you. You went to a big hospital. Firstly you submit your fees. Then he treat you. Without money you cannot survive.
I think they don't know the government policies. Okay. Many government
The
policies.
government policy
free.
is not good. You don't know district hospital.
Yes, listen. You said the government policies are not good.
No.
But government job is good. Why?
Yes.
Why government job is good and government policy is not good?
I don't.
Every people,
I don't ask the
listen.
government-
Every business peoples like to become a government job.
Sir,
Okay.
we don't need government job. We need only money.
Yes, you
We
don't.
need money.
You have You have more money. Then why you need money? You have more money. Then why you
I
need money?
more much money, sir.
Why you need money?
I have money. I need much money.
Sometimes you said I have much money and I have more money. Then in present time you said I have much money.
Yes,
What
sir.
is this?
I have a money. I opened the business and I opened the market. Any